world travelers, some of you have been wondering how I can afford to stay at 5-star resorts. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret in order to save a ton of money on accommodations. I'm a member of Global Travel International, and if you become a member, you'll receive significant discounts on hotels and flights. By using my membership, I've saved thousands of dollars in just one trip. It's literally paid for itself after only one night, and I continue to save on all travel after that. Memberships start at $200 per year, but if you click the link below, you'll receive $100 off any membership. If you want to make the most out of your membership, I offer consultations. I'll explain my strategy and give you access to my email template for hotels and resorts that give me major discounts. My email is in the description below if you want to learn more and schedule a consultation.